In today's video, we'll be unboxing and showing you how to put on a Cartier Love bracelet. This particular piece is a full Pave diamond set with ceramic screws in white gold. An exquisite piece which differs from the standard Love bracelets as it doesn't need any tools to open or close the clasp. It has a hidden button with a tongue and groove setting with a white gold safety clasp on the side. To open the clasp, you would have to pry it apart by using a nail, tucking it just underneath the safety clasp and pulling open. This will then allow you to press the button, which is a hidden screw, and then by pressing that it will release and allow you to pry apart the bracelet and to put it on. So you just press down on the button and pull apart, and to close it it's the same. Just press down, push closed, and then don't forget to always make sure that you push back and close the safety clasp. And it's as simple as that. And that concludes our video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe and click on the notification buttons. And any suggestions you have, please leave a comment below. Hope you've enjoyed and see you next time.